Hey, welcome. Today I'm giving you the real rundown on the Ludatido 2026 Upgraded 12,000 BTU, and after using it, here's exactly what stood out. This thing is a game changer for anyone who's tired of feeling like they're stuck in the middle of sweltering summer heat or freezing winter chill. The Ludatido 2026 Upgraded 12,000 BTU is a powerful cooling and heating system that keeps you comfortable all year round, no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. So, what makes it so special? For starters, this mini split heat pump can cool spaces of up to 750 square feet with ease. It's like having your own personal AC unit, but without the hassle of installation or maintenance. Plus, with its advanced inverter tech and R32 refrigerant, you'll be cutting down on energy costs while still enjoying top-notch comfort. But that's not all. This system also comes with a range of smart features that make it perfect for families or renters. You can control the unit remotely via Wi-Fi app, pre-cool or preheat your room, and even use voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant to make adjustments on the fly. It's like having your own personal thermostat at your fingertips. And let's not forget about the different modes it has: cool, heat, fan, dry, and sleep modes all come in handy for different situations. Whether you need a cooling boost during the summer months or some extra warmth on a chilly winter evening, the system's got you covered. But what really sets the Ludatido 2026 Upgraded 12,000 BTU apart is its versatility. It's perfect for bedrooms, home offices, garages, apartments, and living rooms, essentially anywhere you need a reliable source of cooling or heating. And with its all-day comfort modes, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your space will stay comfortable no matter what. So, who should get their hands on this incredible system? If you're someone who values convenience, comfort, and energy efficiency above all else, then the Ludatido 2026 Upgraded 12,000 BTU is the perfect choice for you. Trust me, once you try it out, you'll be hooked. Check out the link below to get your hands on this amazing system and start enjoying the ultimate in cooling and heating comfort.